बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, पाक टीवी 24 के साथ में हूँ आपका मेज़बान अनवर फौद। नाज़रीन, इस वक्त बहरीन में मौजूद हूँ। यहाँ पे जितनी मुतासरीन है उनकी यहाँ पर उनको इमदाद दिया जा रहा है। यहाँ पे आप मेरे साथ देख सकते हैं, एक चाइनीज़ जो है वो इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है। उनसे भी बात करेंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Everybody, Pakistan peoples, I help for the Pakistan's TV, so together Chinese people come here. This is my friend. Pehnch's Beriani give for the poor village because Chinese and Pakistan do in the bar. 2008 Pakistan help for the Chinese. The play this come to the China very this. So so Pakistan. This is so everybody come here, okay.
Here you secure those people who are needy, but there are still more people who need some kind of help. So can you say that you will further help them?
Many Chinese people come here. Many, maybe 100, 200. The car, the car. This the water, bread, biryani, many food, car, so.
Okay, how many teams are currently working in Pakistan from China in helping areas?
Helping
in needy areas.
In here?
Not only here, throughout Pakistan, where
many people go to the Sindh, many people go to the Lahore, many people go to the Peshawar, many people go to the Sawat, go to the Beriani, because this is many dangerous. So I'm come here. Okay.
What message you wanna give to all those people who need help in this time?
This time here, that's how long time here? Maybe 5 days, maybe 7 days, maybe 50 day. Okay. I'm live here. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.